Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into fashion choices of Mehreen Pirzada. So, let's jump right in. Mehreen radiates style. She often opts for effortlessly chic ensembles, such as tailored jeans paired with a stylish blouse or a flowy maxi dress accessorized with minimalistic jewelry. Her laid-back yet sophisticated approach to casual wear inspires many of her fans. Known for her experimental style, she embraces trends with confidence, whether it's incorporating bold colors, unique silhouettes, or statement accessories into her looks. Her fearless attitude towards fashion sets her apart as a trendsetter in the industry. Mehreen's beauty lies in her ability to effortlessly blend glamour with simplicity. She often opts for understated makeup and hairstyles that complement her outfits, allowing her natural beauty to shine through. Her minimalist approach to beauty enhances her overall aura of sophistication. When it comes to red carpet events, the actress dazzles in glamorous gowns that accentuate her grace and poise. Whether it's a classic black gown with intricate detailing or a vibrant colored dress that exudes confidence, she knows how to make a statement with her impeccable fashion sense. Mehreen effortlessly blends comfort with style in her streetwear looks. Often spotted in trendy yet comfortable pieces like oversized sweaters paired with leggings or distressed jeans matched with stylish sneakers, she showcases her ability to stay on trend while maintaining comfort and practicality. Whether attending business meetings or formal events, the beauty opts for chic formal wear that exudes sophistication. She often chooses tailored pantsuits in muted tones, perfectly tailored to flatter her figure. She completes her formal look with classic pumps and understated accessories, adding a touch of elegance to her ensemble. Mehreen isn't afraid to experiment with unconventional fashion choices. From daring cuts to bold prints, she embraces the avant-garde with confidence. Whether it's donning a quirky statement piece or mixing unexpected textures and patterns, she constantly surprises and delights her fans with her bold fashion experiments. Drawing inspiration from the past, the actress incorporates vintage elements into her modern wardrobe. She effortlessly channels old Hollywood glamour with vintage-inspired dresses featuring timeless silhouettes and retro details. Her nostalgic fashion choices add a touch of timeless elegance to her repertoire. The beauty effortlessly channels bohemian vibes with her laid-back yet stylish ensembles. She often gravitates towards flowy maxi dresses, peasant blouses, and fringe details, capturing the essence of bohemian chic. With her relaxed hairstyles and minimal makeup, she embodies a carefree and eclectic style that resonates with many. The actress draws inspiration from diverse cultures and global fashion trends. Whether it's incorporating traditional elements from different cultures into her outfits or embracing the latest fashion trends from around the world, she showcases her appreciation for diversity and inclusivity through her fashion choices. With an increasing focus on sustainability and ethical fashion, Mehreen makes conscious choices to support eco-friendly brands and incorporate sustainable materials into her wardrobe. From opting for organic cottons to promoting recycled fashion initiatives, she uses her platform to advocate for a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. The actress effortlessly combines athleticism with style in her athleisure looks. She often pairs sleek leggings or joggers with fashionable sports bras or crop tops, layered with chic bomber jackets or oversized hoodies. Her athleisure ensembles seamlessly transition from the gym to casual outings, showcasing her ability to balance comfort and fashion. The beauty masters the art of monochrome dressing, creating sophisticated and polished looks with ease. Whether it's an all-white ensemble exuding purity and elegance or a sleek all-black outfit radiating timeless allure, she proves that monochrome doesn't have to be mundane. Her monochromatic outfits are elevated with interesting textures, subtle patterns, and strategic accessorizing. Mehreen embraces her feminine side with charming floral prints that exude romance and whimsy. She effortlessly incorporates floral patterns into her wardrobe through flowy dresses, delicate blouses, and skirts, adding a touch of freshness and femininity to her looks. Her floral ensembles are often complemented with soft curls or braided hairstyles, enhancing their romantic appeal. The actress exudes confidence and authority in her power dressing ensembles. She opts for structured blazers, tailored trousers, and crisp button-down shirts, commanding attention with her sharp and polished look. Her power dressing outfits are often punctuated with bold accessories, such as statement belts or sleek pumps, accentuating her strong and assertive presence. She showcases her styling prowess through effortless layering techniques. She skillfully combines different textures, lengths, and proportions to create visually interesting and cohesive outfits. Whether it's layering a cozy knit sweater over a crisp collared shirt or pairing a lightweight trench coat with a flowy maxi dress, she adds depth and dimension to her looks with thoughtful layering. The actress elevates her outfits with eclectic accessories that reflect her unique sense of style. From oversized sunglasses and statement earrings to bold scarves and embellished handbags, she uses accessories to inject personality and flair into her ensembles. Her eclectic accessory choices add a playful and dynamic element to her overall look, showcasing her creativity and individuality. Mehreen effortlessly exudes sophistication in her understated yet refined outfits. She gravitates towards timeless pieces with clean lines and elegant silhouettes, such as tailored blazers, midi skirts, and classic trench coats. Her outfits are often monochromatic or neutrally toned, exuding a sense of timeless elegance and sophistication. The beauty uses fashion as a means of personal branding, carefully curating her image to align with her values and aspirations. Whether it's projecting confidence, professionalism, or creativity, she strategically selects outfits that reflect her desired persona and resonate with her audience. Her consistent and cohesive fashion choices contribute to building her recognizable personal brand in the industry. The actress knows the power of a statement outerwear piece to elevate her outfits. Whether it's a tailored blazer in a vibrant hue, a folk fur coat for added glamour, or a trendy leather jacket for a touch of edge, she uses outerwear to make a bold statement and add personality to her ensemble. Her outerwear choices often serve as the focal point of her look, effortlessly tying everything together. The actress invests in versatile wardrobe staples that effortlessly transition from day to night and season to season. She opts for timeless pieces like tailored blazers, classic trench coats, and versatile midi dresses that can be easily dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Her transitional staples ensure that she's always prepared to look polished and put together, no matter the time or place. When it comes to vacation dressing, Mehreen masters the art of effortless chic. She gravitates towards breezy sundresses, lightweight linen separates, and relaxed bohemian silhouettes that capture the carefree spirit of vacationing. Her vacation style is characterized by vibrant colors, playful prints, and airy fabrics, reflecting her relaxed yet stylish approach to leisurewear. The actress embraces the athleisure trend with fashionable activewear that seamlessly combines style and functionality. She's often spotted in trendy leggings, sports bras, and crop tops featuring bold prints, vibrant colors, and innovative designs. Her activewear ensembles are not only perfect for workouts but also make a fashion statement when worn for casual outings or running errands. The beauty understands the importance of building a versatile capsule wardrobe filled with essential pieces that can be mixed and matched to create endless outfit possibilities. She invests in timeless basics like tailored blazers, classic white shirts, and well-fitting denim, which serve as the foundation of her wardrobe. Her capsule wardrobe essentials ensure that she always has stylish and reliable options at her fingertips. Mehreen embraces the cozy chic appeal of fashionable knitwear during the colder months. She's often seen in stylish sweaters, knit dresses, and chunky cardigans featuring eye-catching textures, intricate patterns, and on-trend details like balloon sleeves or ribbed finishes. Her fashionable knitwear pieces not only keep her warm and cozy but also add a touch of elegance and sophistication to her winter wardrobe. Mehreen isn't afraid to borrow from the boys and incorporate tailored menswear-inspired looks into her wardrobe. She effortlessly pulls off structured blazers, oversized shirts, and tailored trousers, adding a touch of androgynous sophistication to her style. Her menswear-inspired ensembles are often juxtaposed with feminine accents or accessories, creating a perfect balance of masculine and feminine elements. The actress completes her outfits with fashion-forward footwear that adds the perfect finishing touch to her look. Whether it's sleek stilettos, trendy ankle boots, or statement sneakers, she carefully selects footwear that complements her outfit and enhances her overall aesthetic. Her fashionable footwear choices often reflect the latest trends, showcasing her keen eye for style and attention to detail. She's known for pushing the boundaries of conventional red carpet fashion, opting for unexpected choices that make a memorable impact. Her willingness to take risks and embrace unconventional styles sets her apart as a fashion trailblazer in the industry. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.